testing time. So now I got my box. So now we will break it. It's crispy. And if you guys want, you can also make it in Ramzan, in Aftarim, or you can make it in Eid. Okay, so now we will take a bite of it. Let's test it. Gonna dip it in our yummy old delicious ketchup. Bismillah. Super good. Yummy. Assalamualaikum viewers. Today we're making a new and a meaty, delicious recipe. The name of this recipe is crispy box patties with leftover keema. So this is our leftover keema from our video. That will be in link in the description. With 2 tablespoons of maida, we have made our celery with water and 2 tablespoons of maida. And now we take 1 samosa patty, put it straight like this. And now we will put another samosa patty right here, make a plus. And I'll put 1 tablespoon of keema, leftover keema, here. Okay guys. And now I will take this, put it over this, put it over this. And now we'll do, but first we'll put some celery here, brush it. And now we'll put some celery here, make it sticky. And now we'll put this just like here to make it a bit sticky. And now we'll put some celery again on here, brush it nicely. And now we're gonna put this one here like this. Now we're gonna just push it nicely. And now we're gonna repeat again. We're gonna put our celery again nicely, as you guys can see. And now we will put the layer again. So we have made our box patty like this, as you can see. So guys, our box patties are ready, as you guys can see. So we have made maida and water celery, as you guys can see. And now we'll dip our box patty in there and then dip in our breadcrumbs. So now let's begin the process. As you guys can see, we will dip it in the celery. And now it's time for the breadcrumbs. It is ready, as you guys can see, and now we'll fry them. And now we'll fry them. We'll put them in a hot boiling oil. I'm sure, guys, with the leftover keema, it's about to be so yummy and delicious. It is nicely fried, and now we'll take them out. If you guys like this video, subscribe, hit the notification bell. I will see you in the next video. For now, Allah Hafiz. Happy Ramzan to you all.